How to make a Grindr account inactive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a Grindr account inactive or simply deactivate your account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. As you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to make your account inactive or simply deactivate it, tap on the profile photo on the top left. After that, go to settings from the bottom. Now under the account section, you'll find the option called deactivate. Tap on it. After that, it will show you various options like this. Basically, you can ask for a support or you can simply log out or delete your account. Since we are trying to make our account inactive, tap on delete account from the bottom. After that, you can choose the reason why you are deleting your account, or you can simply tap on skip and continue deletion. As you finish the process, your account will be deleted and it will be inactive. So in this way, you can easily make your Grindr account inactive. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.